So I'm going to show you how to set up two WhatsApp accounts to run concurrently on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So now, as you can see, we already have WhatsApp, which is already set up. So if you want to have another WhatsApp account, just go to Settings. Under Settings, on the left-hand side, scroll down to Advanced Features, tap on that. And then under Advanced Features, you should see the option Dual Messenger. Tap on that, and then you should see the option to enable WhatsApp as a dual messenger app. So turn that on. It's going to install a clone copy of WhatsApp. So let's go ahead. Now, if you want to use a separate list, a separate contact list for the other WhatsApp account, you can choose to turn that on, or you can just leave it off and tap on next, and then confirm you want to use the regular contacts. Now, once that is enabled, now when you go to the app screen, you will see that we have two WhatsApp accounts. This one is already set up, and this other one will allow you to set it up as a brand new WhatsApp account. Okay, so you can use a different phone number and have two WhatsApp accounts running concurrently on your Tab S10 Ultra. On your Tab S11 Ultra. Thanks for watching and good luck.